Hey guys, it's Miss Franklin with Chloe and Carly, and one of the things that we have enjoyed doing while being at home is spending time together outside. And two of the girls' favorite things to do outside is painting and playing with sidewalk chalk. So today we thought we would combine those two activities, and we are going to show you how to make sidewalk chalk paint.
For this activity, we use several items that can already probably be found in your home. So you will need cornstarch, food coloring, water, muffin tins, and paintbrushes. To get started, we used half a cup of cornstarch. We poured the cornstarch into 2/3 cup of water, and then you mix until the cornstarch has dissolved. Once the cornstarch has dissolved, you will pour evenly into muffin tins and then add food coloring. You can add as little or as much as you like to get the color that you want. After that, you're ready to go outside and have fun. We use foam paintbrushes for this activity, but you could use any paintbrush that you have available to go outside and start creating. We hope you had fun and we hope you liked our activity, and we just want you to know that we miss you guys and we can't wait to see you all back in the fall.